Hello everyone. Thank you very much for attending this webinar. And I'm glad to introduce you today Synology's innovative solutions for large-scale data storage and management. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Sertaç Akdoğan and I am the Sales Account Manager responsible from the Netherlands at Synology. Okay, let's start. In an increasingly connected world, it's crucial to have reliable and scalable storage solutions to manage large amounts of data. Today, Synology is focused on storage performance, service availability, and data security. Synology is constantly developing new technologies, enabling business to work faster and more efficiently. In terms of service availability, Synology offers high availability solutions to ensure continuous data availability even in case of a hard drive or server failure. This ensures protection of important data and continuity of business operations without any interruption. Finally, when it comes to data security, Synology offers data backup solutions to protect from data loss and malicious attacks. Businesses can rest assured that their data is safe and accessible only to authorized users. All in all, Synology focuses on storage performance, availability, and security to help businesses reach their full potential. According to a study conducted by the major media organization TechPulse, Synology is now the leading storage provider for businesses in Belgium, ahead of HPE and Dell Technologies. Okay, but why we are talking today about multi-petabyte systems? Multi-petabyte systems are needed because of the increasing demand for large-scale storage and processing of massive amounts of data. This requires a storage solution that can handle extremely large amounts of data with high performance, scalability, and reliability. Multi-petabyte systems offer these properties and support organizations in their data-driven initiatives, such as data analytics or machine learning. Now let's focus on track 1, maximum availability and reliability. Synology systems are designed to prevent downtime or data loss in the event of hardware failure or other problems. This ensures continuous access to data and reduces the risk of business interruption. But before talking about the solution, what are the risks related to downtime? According to a study by Gartner, the average impact of an IT service interruption for a company is estimated between $140,000 and $540,000 per hour, and that makes approximately $5,600 per minute. A second figure is that presented by Docuvantage is 94% of companies do not survive after suffering a catastrophic data loss. A final figure is that 40% of data loss incidents are caused by hardware failures. These numbers show how crucial it is for businesses to have reliable storage solutions to protect their important data. Let's see what solutions Synology has implemented to reduce your downtime. So Synology's solution in this sense is the SHA, Synology High Availability Solution. This solution from Synology is designed to ensure continuous data availability through high availability and data redundancy technologies. This allows businesses to be assured that their data is safe and accessible at all times, helping them avoid the financial cost and business impacts associated with data distribution or loss. This solution allows you to link Synology servers with a centrally managed failover cluster to optimize service availability and increase the reliability of your company's IT department. Synology High Availability Solution provides a reliable architecture for businesses by combining two compatible Synology NAS to form a high availability cluster. This ensures real-time data protection through real-time replication between the active server that handles all requests and a standby passive server. In the event of an interruption, failover occurs automatically, minimizing recovery times and ensuring business continuity. The solution is also optimized for virtualization by ensuring the availability of virtual machines stored on Synology NAS. To illustrate an example for this solution, let's check a case study. The Michel Perret Hospital Center is an autonomous public health establishment located in France. The Michel Perret Hospital Center depends on an IT infrastructure that includes 70 virtual machines running on critical databases, business applications, web servers, security solutions, and storing administrative data. The hospital's IT admins looked for a highly available storage solutions that would work with VMware vMotion to enable live migration without service disruption between the ESXi servers. To solve their challenges, the hospital looked for Synology's enterprise storage solution. By using two high availability Synology storage arrays, the hospital was able to achieve maximum reliability for its critical data. Real-time replication between two arrays ensures that data is always available, even in the event of a hardware failure. In addition, using VMware vMotion technology, the hospital was able to migrate workloads between IXA servers without distributing services. This helped offload existing servers and maintain a high level of availability for end users. Using the SHA solution and two FS6400s, the performance gain is huge, almost 80 times of the existing performance. This is how the SHI solutions can guarantee that continuous availability of data thanks to high availability and data redundancy technologies. Now, let's go back to multi-petabyte systems. We can tackle now the second part, scalability. Synology solutions are designed to be scalable, allowing customers to easily increase their storage capacity as their data needs to grow. All our product ranges present the possibility of expanding their storage capacity, but one in particular stands out by offering the possibility of reaching petabyte. This is the SA series. Synology SA series offers petabyte scale flexibility, meaning you can add storage capacity as your needs change without having to replace the entire system. This allows you to deploy a scalable solution that adapts to your storage and performance needs. The SA series is a storage solution that Synology is equipped with an Intel Xeon processor to handle intensive workloads, providing reliable performance for mission-critical applications. With up to 96 expandable storage bays, the solution can reach a maximum storage capacity of 1.5 petabytes. Also, there is SAS and SATA compatibility, depends on the chosen model. This series is covered by a basic 5-year warranty by Synology. Our two best sellers in this range are SA3400 and SA3600. These models can also be used for service virtualization and to store data for up to 2000 users. And I would like to mention that we have a new unit in the SA range. It is SA6400. Synology's new SA6400 is a model of high performance for high capacity storage solutions. It is equipped with a RAM up to 32 GB and up to 50 LAN ports for increased connectivity. This unit can accommodate up to 108 expandable storage bays, providing up to 1.9 petabyte of total storage. It is compatible only with SATA hard drives or SATA SSDs. This new model is covered by a basic warranty of 5 years by Synology. It is ideal for enterprise data centers, large production studios, and growing retail and hospitality companies looking to tackle data-intensive projects while having enough space for future expansions. Let me present you the case study of the University of Tampere in Finland. As an educational institution, Tampere has a legal obligation to retain data generated by students and staff. We are talking about 18,000 students and almost 1,000 employees, in addition to former students. In total, it is almost 35,000 OneDrive accounts and 68,000 Outlook accounts. All of them, all these data is saved in a SA3600 unit with 12 of 12 terabyte drives. However, as Temper's data needed to grow, the team was aware that the solution also needed to offer some scalability. This was an obstacle that SA3600 could easily handle, thanks to 12 existing base in the base unit and the ability to accommodate up to 108 drives using Synology expansion units. Now, let's move on to another product range as important as SA range. This is FS series. This series enables all-flash and ultra-fast service for intensive applications. It's also a cost-effective, high-performance data management solution for small and medium businesses. These full flash storage solutions are designed to deliver extreme performance through the use of Intel Xeon or AMD processors for ultra-responsive storage. With a storage capacity of 12 to 24 2.5-inch base for flash storage. These products offer the highest performance in the all Synology models. Their RAM can also be expanded for better virtualization support. These models are offered with a basic warranty of 5 years by Synology. Let's talk about our best sellers in this series. FS6400 is an ultra-fast all-flash server for intensive applications, which can achieve performance in 255,000 IOPS random write. FS3410 is a cost-effective, high-performance data management solutions for small and medium businesses. And finally, FS2500 is a cost-effective all-flash storage for small and medium-sized businesses in a compact 1U form factor. To have a better understanding on this series, let's check a case study. I present you the case study of Adurgaron Water Agency in France. They had identified significant and critical storage need for their IT infrastructure, which requires a reliable and high-performance solution to meet their data availability and redundancy requirements. Synology was able to offer high-performance and scalable storage solutions that can meet the need of businesses of different sizes. Synology products also have virtualization and high availability features, which meets the important criteria of Adurgaron Water Agency. Now let's go back to multi-petabyte systems. We can check the third part, large-scale data storage. These solutions from Synology are specifically designed for large-scale data storage, providing customers with the ability to easily store and manage large amounts of data. I introduce you the HD series. This series was introduced with the high-density HD6500 unit, which is a scalable, high-storage server for petabyte applications. With 60 bays in a 4U rack amount, enclosure and support for up to 300 drives after the expansion, of course, the Synology HD6500 is the ideal high-density storage solution for large-scale hot and cold storage applications, such as full system backup, video post-production, and the large surveillance deployments. This high-density Synology NAS offers high storage capacity with high performance thanks to its two 10-core Intel Xeon Silver 4210 processors and 64 GB RAM. It can store up to 63.5-inch SAS hard drives in a 4U chassis, making it ideal for the environments that require large storage capacity. It's also expandable up to 300 bays using Synology expansion units, allowing it to store up 4.8 petabyte of raw data. The NAS also features an OS dedicated SSD partition for better performance. This model is covered by a basic warranty of 5 years by Synology. Now let's see a concrete use case of HD6500. Allow me to present you the case study of the Imperial War Museum in the United Kingdom. This is one of Britain's leading museums, is impressive in preserving their collection of thousands of films dating back the last 100 years. Capturing and storing the footage into their digital library was a challenge due to the large volume of data generated by their new raw record. In addition, they were concerned about the time and effort required to retrieve footage from their tape library. They deployed Synology's FS2017 and FS6400 for lightning fast writes from their acquisition station, while using the Synology HD6500 petabyte solution as a hot storage to remove their recovery process. Using large-scale storage systems such as HD6500 is a wise decision given the expected growth in data production. This will allow them to store and manage their data effectively and efficiently. Okay, we always talk about Synology NAS models, but you cannot talk about Synology NAS models without mentioning about our Synology drives. I present you Synology hard drives. These are high-performance and reliable hard drives designed specifically for Synology systems. Here we see our SATA drives. Synology HAT 5300 HDD delivers industry-leading performance through tight integration with DSM and Synology hardware. With over 500,000 hours of internal validation testing and a 5-year limited warranty from Synology, the HAT 5300 series bring unparalleled reliability to Synology deployments. And here we see our SAS drives. HAT 5300 have undergone 200,000 hours of testing on Synology hardware, with an average uptime to failure of 2.5 million hours. They are covered by Synology's 5-year limited warranty, of course. HAS drives are designed to provide optimal performance and reliability on Synology systems. Synology's SAT5210 SATA SSDs deliver stable performance while reducing latency for critical services and applications. They are designed to handle constant, mixed, and intense workloads without compromising endurance and provide a streamlined storage experience on Synology systems while minimizing downtime. Okay, but why using Synology drives? By using Synology drives, users can enjoy many benefits. Firstly, Synology drives are designed to work seamlessly with Synology NAS systems, delivering optimized performance for a smooth and fast user experience. Secondly, Synology drives are 100% compatible with Synology NAS systems, ensuring trouble-free installation and use. Also, Synology drives are designed to be durable and reliable, with built-in diagnostic features to detect and prevent potential problems before they occur. In addition, Synology drives are designed to be easily updated with built-in updates to improve performance and reliability over time. By using Synology drives, user can benefit from a single point of contact for support and technical questions, simplifying problem-solving processes. Finally, Synology drives are evaluated in combination with Synology NAS systems, offering the best prices over the entire deployment. Let's go back now to multi-petabyte systems. Finally, let's focus on the last part, data protection and management. The solution offers a range of data management functions, including backup and recovery tools. Let's start with active backup for business application. ABB is your integrated, centralized backup solution for your physical and virtual desktops. It allows you to customize your backup policy while allowing you to save bandwidth and storage thanks to data deduplication and changed block tracking technology. Finally, this solution is compatible with most Synology NAS and it's free regardless the number of devices backed up. As you can see here, ABB offers truly comprehensive compatibility to back up your entire infrastructure. Your client workstations, physical or file service, and especially virtual machines. To set up the backup of your endpoints, nothing could be simpler to install a simple agent on each machine. By the way, a mass deployment is also possible. When it comes to your virtual machines, connecting to hypervisor is direct and seamless. The backup is incremental bare metal. It is also possible to choose a specific volume. It can be C, D, or anything. Once all these steps are completed, all you have to do is decide when, how, and how often you want to start backing up your devices. We have just seen the backup part. Now let's address the equally important restoration part. When you need to restore data, the time must be as short as possible so as not to impact the activity of employees and the company. Restoring with ABB is granular. You can decide to restore the entire image, some folders, or just a few files. We also support versioning. During a full image restoration, a utility allows you to create a bootable USB drive. The complete image will then be transferred over the network. This makes restoration simple and effective. Let's go back to case study of the Multi-Petabyte Hospital. The goal here is to have a complete protection of 70 virtual machines and physical workstations of 250 employees. The implementation of redundant backup solutions ensured additional protection of important patient data. With a redundant backup system and an offline backup unit, hospital can be sure that its data will always be available even in the event of a disaster. Synology Enterprise Storage Solutions have enabled Multi-Petabyte Hospital to meet its IT challenges in terms of reliability, availability, and data protection while optimizing the performance of its IT infrastructure. Let's move on backup solution for your NAS. Depending on the type of the data to be backed up to your NAS, Synology offers two solutions. Hyper Backup is dedicated to cold data. Cold data is the data to be archived for security or legal reasons that we do not need regularly. The goal to ensure a backup that takes up as little space as possible. Hot data is the data that needs to be restored quickly for this, Snapshot is the tool for you. Let's start with Hyper Backup. With the Hyper Backup application, you can maintain up to 65,000 versions of data while minimizing storage space consumption through the application. Backed up data is kept in a personal database that you can easily browse, download, or restore using a multi-version explorer. In addition, Hyper Backup provides increased reliability for backed up data by using client-side encryption techniques to protect sensitive data. Data integrity verification is also a key aspect of the data protection solution, ensuring the reliability of the backed up data. Finally, thanks to its customizable backup schedule, you can determine how often data is backed up, making it an ideal solution for cold data and archiving. Hyper Backup allows you to backup your NAS to multiple destinations. This can be another volume, a distant NAS, a USB device, or a public cloud or Synology C2. For hot data, the solution is snapshot replication. Snapshot replication is a real-time data protection solution for mission-critical environments. It takes snapshots of your data every 5 minutes to ensure optimal protection in the event of a failure. This solution allows flexible customization of retention and versioning the settings. You can also schedule your data to replicate remotely for additional protection. It's an ideal tool for critical data that requires real-time protection and rapid disaster recovery. There are two possible destinations with snapshot replication. First one, replication on the same NAS on a second volume. And the second one, replication on another NAS to ensure data availability. Then we move on to Active Insight. If you are a customer, you may have several NAS on your infrastructure, and if you are a reseller, you have customers who have delegated NAS management. Having to manage all these NAS can be complicated, but Synology helps you to monitor and manage your fleet through a unified interface. Active Insight is a 24/7 monitoring service that provides complete visibility into your NAS infrastructure. With this service, you can generate alerts and receive notification in case of problems or suggestion to optimize your infrastructure. It is also accessible via a dedicated web portal or mobile app. Active Insight provides an overview of the operating status of your Synology NAS. It monitors a wide range of tasks. These include performance and availability of the entire NAS fleet, DSM and the package updates, hyper backup tasks, and suspicious login attempts. This allows you to ensure that your NAS fleet runs smoothly and safely. In addition to these monitoring tasks, Active Insight also offers the ability to generate reports to keep you informed of the status of your NAS fleet. This includes received alerts, notifications, available updates, and backup information. With Active Insight, you can have the complete visibility and control of your NAS infrastructure with only one centralized interface. Before closing this webinar, let me introduce you some tools that Synology provides to develop your business. Sorry. Let's talk about project quotations. You can benefit from advantageous rates for Synology deployments if you meet the following three criteria. First, you deploy a project to a single end user. Second, you place a single order for all items. And the third one, and the last one, the total amount of your orders should be more than 3,000 euros. If you meet these criteria, these conditions, then your deal will be considered as a project and you will benefit from extra rebates. You have the option to request a quote from a official distributor of Synology in your country. In addition to that, Synology can accompany you through your project to ensure a successful deployment. If you need further help or want to know more about the great rates, you can contact Synology directly for more detailed information. bnl@synology.com. We continue with our warranty services. Synology offers several warranties and services to help you get the most out of its products. In the event of a hardware failure, Synology offers replacement of your NAS through its standard warranty. The duration of the standard warranty depends on the model. For home usage model, it's 2 years. For small and medium business models, it is 3 years, and for enterprise models, it is 5 years. If your NAS is experiencing a hardware problem, you can request a return material authorization, also known as RMA exchange, from a distributor channel. You will be sent back an equivalent replacement product to repair your NAS. If you need additional services, you can also get them from Synology partners. For example, you can ask advanced RMA procedure for your hard drives from Real Solutions and on-site maintenance service from Integra. There are several options for on-site maintenance with the Integra. You can ask the service on next business day or on the same day. Also, separate packages are available for business hours or all hours of the day. All these services that I mentioned also includes 24/7 access to the online TAC. Synology also offers a technical support service to help users resolve software issues with their products. Software support is Synology's official support. It is managed by a dedicated support team, able to answer all your technical questions. If necessary, the support team can also take remote control of your device to help you resolve the issue. Synology's technical support is designed to help users maximize their performance and reliability of their products while ensuring a pleasant user experience. It is therefore important to benefit from this service when it's needed. You can contact the Synology Benelux team for any questions or project requests using the following email address: bnl@synology.com. The Synology team will be happy to help you with any questions or project requests. Whether you need help choosing the right product, technical advice, or deployment support, don't hesitate to contact us. We are coming to end of this webinar. We will now keep this chat open for 15 minutes to answer all your questions. But if you have any projects, do not hesitate to send us an email to bnl@synology.com. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a great day.